15 common errors in the use of nouns. Number first, my uncle's sheep are grazing in the meadow. My uncle's sheep are grazing in the meadow. Number two, I saw many deers in the forest. I saw many deer in the forest. He gave me 3 pesos. He gave me 3 pesos. I've 2 dozen pigeons. I've 2 dozen pigeons. These furnitures are for sale. This furniture is for sale. My cattle are grazing in the field. My cattle are grazing in the field. The wages of a laborer are 20 rupees a day. The wages of a laborer is 20 rupees a day. I've lost my spectacle. I've lost my spectacles. The sceneries of Murray are charming. The scenery of Murray is charming. This news is very good, or we can say sometime these news are very good. Both of them are incorrect to say. The correct one is this news is very good. Number 11. He is wearing a trouser. He is wearing trousers. Where is my tongue? Where are my tongues? His hairs are gray. His hair is gray. Do you eat fruits? Do you eat fruit? Number 15 is he has many works to do. He has much work to do. Thank you. Subscribe.